Do you ever wonder how creators make those clean, fast-paced edits that blow up on TikTok? Well, it's not magic. It's knowing where the hidden editing tools are in TikTok's 2025 update. So first, you need to start with the right clip. Open TikTok and just tap the plus button, then import or record your clip. Then you're gonna tap the edit at the bottom. This is where most people skip straight to the effects. But here's where you unlock the real power. You can't just add or touch filters, yet the most powerful editing feature is hidden. Just add some footage, and so on. Then you might want to trim and sync the beat. Now hit the adjust clips, then tap the sync to sound button. TikTok has an auto syncs your video for cuts to the rhythm of your chosen audio. And there are also some mini transformations. Then you might want to try adding some effects the smart way. So just tap effects and visuals. Instead of stacking random filters, use short bursts like flashes, blurs, and motions. Then you can now start adding text, captions, and stickers. Then you can also do some motion tracking if there's an object that you want to track. And lastly is the final touch and then some export. And that's how you can basically edit in TikTok. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.